Hello friends, I'm Paul Shin from the YouTube channel that's making Model A's cool again. Today I am sitting in my new project. Some assembly required. Ever since I got started in Ford Model A automobiles, I have wanted an 82B wide bed hardtop pickup. So now, of course, we have a truck kit, as you can see here. Of course, when we got the truck, it was more or less put together. But we decided we're going to just do a complete frame off on this and just completely do it over. Not just because it's Kermit the Frog green and we don't like it or anything like that. The way this was kind of slapped together, somebody just kind of threw it together. Like for instance, when we pulled the drums off, like not all the brake parts were in there kind of thing. They just kind of got it together so it would roll. So it's a do-over anyway, no matter what. And the engine is froze. So we need to replace that or fix it or whatever. We're going to pull the motor. Today, we're actually just going to pull the fenders and splash apron off and find out if the serial number on the frame really does match what the title says. I suspect it does, but let's find out.
Hey, good looking.
All right, Tina. This is our truck. There's the box right there.
Yeah.
The wide bed box. Oh, the fenders are off now.
Yeah, about that.
So this is, we got the box off, so now we're going to take the cab off. We're going to take it down to the bare frame and start over. What do you think?
It's super cool.
Is it?
Hey, you got the metal roof like you wanted.
That's right, metal roof. Yes.
You don't like the green. I love the green.
No, I'm not a fan of the green.
Whatever. Yeah, this is super cool.
So the engine's locked up, but no big deal because we've got two of them in the works right there. We're putting together with full inserts. So we'll swap the, it's not a numbers matching engine anyway.
Oh, that's okay.
So we're going to swap it
least you're
out
gonna
for
fix
full
it.
inserts. I got one there, and then there's one right behind it that's almost ready to go.
Nice.
Yeah?
This is cool
You
looking.
think?
I love it.
You like it?
So much. It's awesome.
You heard it. You're my witness. Wife seal of approval. So even though the truck was so filthy the rats were wearing slippers, first thing I had to do was finish taking the truck apart so we could really get to work on it. There are so many things going wrong in the world right now. It just feels good to go into the shop, the one place on earth where everything just seems right.
Can't get in there. Oh, crap. No. I got such a long bolt here, I can't get in there. I need a regular ratchet. I'll just do it by hand. Yeah. Okay, here's a socket. Alright. I'll do the easy part. There you go. Got it? That was that. Now the other side. Good. No. A little more. A little more. That's good. What's up? Got it.
Shrub behind is the way long.
Yeah, right. Okay. I got a handful of hardware. Gotta save it.
You got a handful of nuts.
Yeah.
What are you two doing in there?
Nothing.
Oh,
Wiring's already out, so that part's isn't quite as sketchy as it looks. Just fine. Bright as rain.
Your hair, that.
You're gonna have to grab that steering box, Jim.
Ready?
It's ready.
All right, push it forward.
Here it goes. Cheers, man. Beep, beep, beep.
Pardon you.
There we go. Gotta rebuild that anyway.
Well, everybody was tired, so it was time to put it up for the night, start over tomorrow morning, pick up where we left off.
I've explained before how the serial number is located right around here where the driver's feet sit. I'm going to actually show you the serial number on the frame today and show you exactly where the serial number is located. I guess the engine's next. So here it is, a couple weeks later, and I'm standing amongst the bits and pieces of my truck kit. So why did I strip this thing totally down piece by piece? Well, all of this needs to get stripped. In fact, right now the frame isn't here because it's being sandblasted. I'm going to do a complete do-over on the frame first. But all of this paint, all of this needs to come off. We need to see what we've got here, see if there's any damage to the metal, see if there's any body work that needs to be done better, different, whatever. I did find a patch panel in the cab that was done okay, but it needs to be done better. So that's going to get all stripped and we're going to redo that, make that a lot better. I'll show that in a video coming up pretty soon. But if you've ever done a frame off restoration, why is it called frame off? Shouldn't it be body and everything else off the frame? You don't take the frame off the frame. Anyway, if you've ever done a frame off, you know exactly what you're looking at and exactly what's going to happen. That process doesn't happen very fast. In fact, most complete restorations take anywhere from months to years. And it's not a quickie 1 week and it's in a 30-minute TV episode. That's not reality. This is reality. This project is going to take me well into next year, certainly past the holidays. But yeah, let's take a look and see how the engine's doing. I'm going to run over to Beckler Machine and see what we're going to do for an engine for this thing. There are options. Including the locked up engine we just pulled out of the pickup, I currently have 5 engine blocks sitting at Beckler Machine waiting to get rebuilt. But we got to make a decision. Which engine are we going to use in this truck?
It's yours, I think.
This is mine right here?
I think this is the one you gave me.
Oh, okay.
We're putting inserts in, right?
That's right. Full inserts, baby.
This is the early style B. Then they went with that replaceable counterweights.
Right,
And then they went with this style here.
right.
Molded counterweights. Which is, I like this one the best.
Molded counterweights.
Molded counterweights, that'd be later model B. But this will work because it's got the bigger mains and bigger rods.
Yep. All right, let's go with that. So on a B block, this is the oil return tube right here. So it doesn't have a separate tube that goes from the valve cover down to the block. So on a B, it's just got this little cutout in it here and some holes that go down to the bearings, and then the side cover that goes on here is bigger than the A. Then you just put a cover over this for the fuel pump because we're not going to use that. Done. So I've got a couple really good engine options. What would you do? Would you go with the Diamond A block with full inserts, or would you put that B block with full inserts in this thing? I don't know. Bleep bloop it down in the comments below, please. Tell me what you would do if this was your truck taking up space at your house and you were putting this project together. How would you go about this? What would you do going forward? I'm open to ideas. I appreciate that very much. Oh, by the way, you know we're getting awful close to Christmas time. It's not too early to start thinking about what to get somebody that you know or love that is into Model A's something for Christmas. How about these? ModelAT-shirts.com is where I get these shirts. These things are awesome. They got stuff on the back too. They got mugs, they got hats, they got purses, depending on who it is. There's all kinds of different options jackets, everything. ModelAT-shirts.com. No, they're not paying me to say this. I'm not getting any money. I'm not getting anything in return. I just like their stuff, and I just wanted to share with you. But meanwhile, I have to get back to work because obviously I've got a bunch of paint and finish to strip, and it's not going to do it itself. So as I continue to paint this, well, used to be freshly sandblasted frame with this, was this Por 15 stuff to keep it from rusting, what have you. You will be seeing this frame again. This is going to be a long build, kind of a long process, and it's not going to happen overnight. Some people, including my wife, are probably asking, the thing was pretty much together when you bought it, so why tear it completely down, nut and bolt to the frame, and start over? Why not just build it from where it was? Well, the whole thing was just kind of thrown together just so it was sort of one piece. It was really like thrown together to sell. Which is fine. I knew that buying it, and that was not a deterrent for me at all. Neither was the locked up motor. I'm totally okay with that. So basically I'm building an 82B from scratch. So this is going to be a fun project, and I can't wait to bring you along with me. It's not going to be a fast project. This is going to be a long-term project. So there will be more videos coming up. You will see this frame again in the future. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and close it here. Say thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.